Swipe down from the top of the terminal. Look for Lost Mobile Data Connection and press. Ensure that mobile data and data roaming are turned on. Press the Home button. Swipe left anywhere and look for Worldpay, which is your payment page, and open. Once opened, you wish to select Next. It may pop up with another operations in progress. If it does, just restart installation. At this stage, you may need to find your merchant ID, which will be on your email from Worldpay, and get ready to enter it. Now it requests your merchant number, 8 digits beginning with 4. Input that and then press confirm. Once confirmed, it will ask you for a supervisor code. This can be anything you want. We've used an example as 4 zeros. It will then ask you to confirm it again. Once confirmed, in about 30 seconds time, you'll be ready to take a payment. Once the enter amount screen pops up, please make a test payment by entering the amount and tapping the card on top of the machine. The transaction should go through within 2 to 3 seconds, and that's your installation complete.